In prison, Ramdas showed his jailers that as long as he had the power of prayer working for him, he was free. The jailers told their king about the miracles in the cell, but he was not moved. One day when Abul Hasan was sleeping, it is said that Lord Rama and his brother Lakshmana appeared in his dream and produced the receipt for payment of the amount due to the king. Next morning, the Sultan personally came to the cell where Ramdas was interned and released him, and became perhaps the first Muslim ruler in the history of mankind who was blessed with the divine darshan of a Hindu god. It is legends such as these that have set the tone for the evolution of Hyderabad, a city of lakes and a city of gardens.
আর ভালো লাগছে না ওষুধ খাবে না হয়ে যাবে প্যারাসিটামল নে নে ছাড় 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 আরে পাগলাই করবো
বাড়ি যাও
মাথায় করতে হবে না আস্তে আস্তে চুপ চুপ আরে দেবো তখন মাথা করতে হবে বুঝছে ব্যাস ঠিক আছে থাক
As Hyderabad flourished, a flag that had ruled for over 2 centuries, heard the battle cry of an India hungry for freedom and made way for a tricolor celebration of independence. As the state of Andhra Pradesh was bifurcated, Telangana was formed and Hyderabad remained as the state's capital.